back. Today we're going to be installing the Icon Storage Solid Feet. Now I'm putting it on a Series 3 56 inch. Try this stainless steel design. Looks like the stand you just screw out to level, which is very nice. Okay, now that we've got them on, I'll give you a quick look under here. This is the built pattern. It's a simple, just rip and replace. I would recommend maybe a universal wobble for those rears, a little harder to get. Now I used a motorcycle jack. I think you could use just anything. This has a nice wide base, so it goes across all the metal in there, so I don't worry about bending anything, and it's very secure. Okay, so we have them installed, and I'm going to re-level. The leveling's actually quite easy. It's level right now. I wanted to show you that we're fairly level, right? But there is some wiggle in this guy, as you can see. And really, see if I can do this. I already know which one it is. It's this one here. You see this one's loose. So all the rest of them are tight, but we'll go down and tighten this one. That's a mark I put, so just so I got a little ideal. So they're one rotation down. So about 1.5, and just take your hand and grip it and crank it up a little bit until it gets tight where you can't turn it anymore. And what you'll have is pretty solid. Aesthetically, I think it looks really good. I mean, I'm not going to move it. It's not something that I think most of us even move. But yeah, all in all, I think it looks really good. And now it's stable. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to worry about moving. I hope this helps you guys. I'm going to make a little more content on this, especially around the organizer and some lighting and things like that. So stick around. More to come later. See you in the next one.